Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best liquid ammonia is probably one of the most versatile chemical compounds out there, with applications spanning across numerous industries. From its crucial role as a refrigeration agent to its use in manufacturing, this substance is a true workhorse. Join me as we dive deep into the world of liquid ammonia, exploring its diverse uses, benefits, and why it's a must-know for anyone interested in chemistry or industrial applications. Number 5. FritzZyme Fishless Fuel Ammonia Solution, 2 ounces. This product supports and nourishes nitrifying bacteria. It's crucial for establishing a healthy and robust biological filter in your aquarium. Its easy-dose liquid formula makes the cycling process simpler and more precise. This ensures the right balance of ammonia for effective cycling in both freshwater and saltwater aquariums. Start your aquarium system without risking the health of any livestock. It eliminates the need for fish or other organic materials, offering a safe and humane way to cycle your tank. Manufactured with high-quality ingredients, this product is a testament to reliability and effectiveness. You can be assured that it meets strict quality standards. With a concentration of 40 mg/ml TAN, it provides accurate ammonia levels. This is essential for effective aquarium cycling and establishing a stable aquatic environment. What we like. This solution is specifically designed to kickstart your aquarium's biological filtration without harming any fish. It provides the exact ammonia levels needed for effective cycling. If you are setting up a new aquarium and want to establish a healthy environment for your future aquatic pets, you should consider this. What people say. It does what it's supposed to do. Right now, my tank is processing about 1 ppm of ammonia per day, but it's still growing the bacteria that converts nitrites to nitrates, so these numbers continue to spike. I added half of the dose to my 5-gallon tank, 10 drops, and the ammonia levels read between 2-3 ppm when I tested it an hour later. It took my 1.5-month tank only 4 days to cycle. Number 4. Austin's 00051 Clear Ammonia Cleaner 64 ounce. This multipurpose cleaner is perfect for tackling various household chores. It's designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. Try it today and see the difference. Use it in your laundry room or around the house. It's great for cleaning kitchens, sinks, and even garbage disposals. This product is a versatile solution for all your cleaning needs. For best results, use it at full strength. Let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic. Then, simply rinse with clear water to reveal a sparkling clean surface. Not only is it great for general household use, but it's also safe to use on cement floors. This product provides a powerful clean without damaging surfaces. It's a reliable choice for various cleaning tasks. This cleaner is ideal for kitchens, sinks, garbage disposals, and trash cans. It cuts through grime and leaves everything fresh and clean. The product is a must-have for a spotless home. What we like. This is a versatile cleaner for various household tasks. It's designed for tough stains and grime in kitchens, sinks, and trash cans. If you are looking for a powerful cleaner to tackle multiple cleaning needs around your home, you should consider this. What people say. Good product. As advertised. Used for different purpose. Poured done groundhog holes worked great. It able to get rid of 90% of the iodine off my light gray vinyl floors. Number 3. Austin's Lemon Scented Ammonia 64 ounces. This is Austin's Lemon Scented Ammonia. It's a powerful cleaner with a refreshing lemon scent. You can use it to cut through grease and grime. The ammonia is tough on dirt and stains. It's perfect for a variety of surfaces. This product will leave your home sparkling clean. Enjoy the pleasant aroma of lemon while you clean. The scent will leave your home smelling fresh and clean. It makes cleaning a more enjoyable experience. The large 64-ounce bottle provides plenty of cleaning solution. You'll have enough to tackle all your cleaning tasks. It's a great value for your money. Make cleaning easier and more pleasant with this product. It's a must-have for any household. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This product is designed for household chores with a refreshing lemon scent. It is easy to use and effective for various cleaning tasks. If you like a fresh, clean scent while cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. Ammonia liquid is a great product for cleaning. It works well on various surfaces. The product effectively removes stains. Number 2. LA's awesome Clear Ammonia 64-ounce cleaning solution. Meet the newest member of the LA's cleaning family. This powerful solution is designed to tackle tough stains and grime, making your cleaning easier than ever. This ammonia cleaner harnesses the power of ammonia to cut through grease and dirt effectively. It leaves surfaces sparkling clean and fresh. You can use it on a variety of surfaces, including floors, countertops, and tiles. It's a versatile cleaning solution for your entire home. This formula is specially made without added fragrances. It's ideal for those sensitive to scents or prefer a fragrance-free environment. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and freshness throughout your home. This effective cleaner ensures your spaces stay clean for longer. Join the LA's cleaning family with trusted all-purpose cleaners, Ajax laundry detergent, Fab dish soap and Soilove laundry stain remover. They are here to help you with every task. What we like. This cleaner offers powerful cleaning action for tough stains on various surfaces. Its fragrance-free formula is ideal for those sensitive to scents. If you have sensitive skin or prefer a cleaner without added fragrances, you should consider this. What people say. Works great for cleaning. I use a spray bottle with 89% full with ammonia and the rest ordinary dish washing detergent. It cleans most things quickly and easily. Good floor cleaner. Number 1. Parsons Ammonia Lemon All-Purpose Cleaner, 2-pack. This is the strongest ammonia cleaner available. It is designed to tackle tough cleaning jobs around your home. It leaves no film or streaks behind, ensuring a sparkling clean finish. You can use it on various surfaces with confidence. It's perfect for sinks, counters, mirrors, and windows. It can also be used on walls and woodwork, making cleaning easier. It is also great for laundry. It can help remove stains and brighten your clothes. It effectively removes scuff marks and greasy fingerprints. This product helps keep your home looking its best. What we like. This is the strongest ammonia cleaner on the market, ensuring a clean finish without streaks. It's great for laundry stain removal and brightening. If you are looking for a powerful cleaner for tough stains and a streak-free finish, you should consider this. What people say. The product works as advertised. It is a great product for cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.